Are you thinking of ordering the new Quest Pro or still unsure if you actually need it? Let me help you here by answering some of the questions you might have. Alright, so I did order one of this Quest Pro to see if it's worth your $1,500 because my $1,500 are already gone. But let me tell you something first. When I checked the status of my order, it showed me that it is arriving on 25th October, so I was eagerly waiting for my package, and then after a while, I checked the status again and it says it's delivered, and I checked my front door and it wasn't there. For a sec, my brain couldn't process anything and I panicked that my delivery guy probably put my package somewhere else. So after that, I did contacted Meta and file a claim for lost package, but surprisingly, any actions were not taken immediately. But before I do anything else, a wonderful gentleman rang my doorbell same day and gave me my package that was accidentally delivered to his door. And I genuinely appreciate a lot to those people like him who do the right thing. But what if someone don't? Well, I lose $1,500. Anyway, after all of that thrill and suspense happened to me, I finally was able to check out Quest Pro and spend some time with it. So what you get in the box is VR headset itself, its newly designed motion controllers, a charging dock to charge both headset and controllers, a protective case to protect from dust and all of those things. One of the biggest features of Quest Pro is color pass-through. And let me tell you this, when I looked at their commercial talking about this feature, I imagined it to be super high definition, but when I actually tested it, it more looks like a footage from very old phone camera, and it's not the best, but it's doable. Now talking about its overall resolution, it doesn't disappoint because its new pancake lens does really great job with better color accuracy and high definition projection. Speaking of Quest 2, now I want you to understand that this is not the next generation of Quest 2 lineup. Quest 2 was more targeted towards people who just wanted to have a good time in VR by playing games like Beat Saber and meet other people. Whereas Quest Pro is targeted more towards businesses, developers, content creator who wants to collaborate for work in metaverse, do all kinds of tasks in mixed reality, and develop content for all the upcoming apps and games that you will get. Now that also doesn't mean that you cannot do things that you do in Quest 2 in Quest Pro. Quest Pro has all the features that it offered in Quest 2, but additionally more. Now there are rumors that Quest 3 might launch next year and it also has some of the features from Quest Pro. Now let's talk about the build quality of Quest Pro. I have to say that after spending a lot of time using this headset, the comfort is very noticeable because its new design for bringing the battery in the back of your head. It brings the overall weight distribution equally in the middle. So it doesn't feel heavy in front at all, and that makes it very comfortable and usable for longer period of time. It also has the adjustable setting in the front and back you need to customize it to your own liking. Now let's talk about the new motion controllers. These controllers have their own tracking camera on them, which makes tracking super easy, and it doesn't need headset to track its position, which also eliminates the need of these huge rings around them. The material that is used is very soft and grippable, which makes it very premium. Now before we jump into its new features, please make sure to hit the like and subscribe button if you enjoy content just like this. Before I start though, let me tell you that all of this opinion is coming from an XR designer and developer. So I study and go to college to learn how to create AR/VR content, just so you know. So as of now, there is not much app out there who is really utilizing these new features, but it's only just matter of time before they update that. Meta is also pushing Quest Pro by saying it has mixed reality features using full pass-through, and I would say it is helpful when you're in very small space and you want to be aware of your surroundings, but it also gets some tasks done using apps like Immersed, where you can have multiple display around you for multitasking. So in conclusion, I wanted to break down this in few categories. First, I would say if you have $1,500 lying around and you don't know where to spend, then definitely get this. Now, if you already have Quest 2 and you are only using it for gaming and entertainment casually, then I would not recommend you spend this much on Quest Pro. If you don't have any VR headset at all and you are a developer or you are a content creator and you want to utilize all these new features and apps it has to offer, then definitely get Quest Pro. Now, if you came across this video and you just don't know me at all, then you will definitely like my previous videos about all the latest tech happening.